The gas well blowout in Assam's Tinsukia district has polluted the Lohit River and adjoining eco-sensitive Maghuri Motapong wetland, and toxic pollutants may have killed fish, insects as well as posed risk to endangered Gangetic dolphins in the region, preliminary Wildlife Institute of India survey report said. In May, oil and gas sipped from the oil well of Oil India Limited located in Bagjan. The Maghuri Motapung built is 500 km away from the oil well that exploded on June 9. Maghuri Motapung built is an important bird area of the district and is a haven for resident and migratory birds species. Due to water polluted with oil, birds no longer flock at the wetland. Therefore, ecotourism business flourishing in the said areas have been affected. Local resident and nature lover Jintu Dutt said that the place is famous for special birds area Maghuri built. Tourists come to see 330 types of migratory birds. There are various types of local fish found in the build. The oil flowed into the bill after the explosion, due to which the water biodiversity is over. Many birds, fishes, dolphins have migrated to other places. Also, several of them were found dead. He therefore requests the central government to take steps to protect the bill.
यहाँ पर जो 330 स्पीसीज बर्ड मिलता है, जो माइग्रेटरी बर्ड, यहाँ पर रहने वाला बर्ड्स और फिश और डॉल्फिन, रिवर डॉल्फिन, यहाँ वो जगह छोड़ के दूसरे जगह पर चला गया। और हमको आज से 15 दिन पहले इस एरिया में, इस बिल में वैराइटीज प्रजाति का फिश का मरा हुआ हमको मिला, रिवर डॉल्फिन का मरा हुआ हमको मिला, वैराइटीज का बर्ड हमको मरा हुआ मिला। तो इसीलिए मर गया, जब पानी में तेल आ गया, तेल आने के बाद उन लोग का जीने का जो प्रक्रिया है वो खत्म हो गया। भारत सरकार को रिक्वेस्ट करता है कि जो भी करना है करिए, लेकिन हमको चाहिए कि ये बिल सुरक्षित हो। ये बिल पहले जब वर्ल्ड फेमस था, अब भी ये बिल वर्ल्ड फेमस हीरो हो, वही हमारा भारत सरकार को निवेदन है।
On the other side, Dibru-Sikhova National Park is located less than a kilometer from the Bagjand oil well. The freeze sound of the fire in the oiled well have greatly affected the animals and birds living there. Due to the explosion, oil was rained in the sky for several kilometers, due to which the leaves of the grass and the tree plants of the Dibru-Sikhova National Parks are no longer eatable for animals. Jintu Dutt said that many wild animals have left the Dibru-Sikhova National Park due to the sound and air pollution emanating from the Bagjan oil well.
बागजान के ये ऑयल खट ब्रास्ट होने के बाद में जो जितना बर्ड था, जितना पशु था, वो सारा यहाँ से भाग गया। इसलिए भाग गया क्योंकि साउंड पोल्यूशन है, उसमें गैस निकलता है, गैस से वो एयर पोल्यूशन हो गया, साउंड पोल्यूशन हो गया, पूरी एरिया तेल हो गया। जहाँ पर उनका जो खाने का घास है, घास भी तेल से भर गया। इसलिए उनका खाने का जो घास था वो तेल से भर गया, इसलिए वो खाने के भी कुछ नहीं मिला। इसलिए शायद अब डिब्रू-सिखोवा नेशनल पार्क में जो वाइल्ड हॉर्स था वो अभी हम लोग को देखने को नहीं मिलेगा।
The gas well at the Bagjan caught fire on 9th June, days after the blowout or leakage of the gas and condensate that began on May 27. Wildlife Institute of India has also flagged the long-term environmental impact of the spill, as a blowout spews hundreds of chemicals in the air, water and soil. Residents of the area reported severe breathing difficulty, headache and nausea. The entire landscape, including the wetland, is coated in layers of oil. The biodiversity-rich area is one of the important remaining habitats of several endangered and range-restricted species. Bureau Report.